Right, today we're going to look at this little wing of a Fiesta. It's an old one, as you can see. It's badly rusted. We're scraping off the roughest bits of the paint. And what we're going to do today is look at this product. Once we clean that down, this 2-in-1 rust, reform and seal. Sounds really good. Let's try it out. So, as you can see, we took the sanding pad and the grinder and we took off the paint and most of the rust. And we're going to apply this. So we're going to just spray it on and leave it to tomorrow. See what it does, if it eats this rust or does anything like it says on the tin. So, give it a good application. Try not to get it on your hands or your clothes. And I think we are as you see, it's turning red already, whatever that's doing. So we'll look at this again tomorrow, see how it's going on, see if it's worthwhile restoring this wing by using this product. Okay, so here we are. We're looking at our wing that we painted the rust remover on yesterday. As you can see, it seems to be either highlighting the rust or making it worse, I don't know. But down here, as you can see, I've cleaned it with this small wire brush. And I'm going to give it a good cleaning down, as you can see, take that rusty look off it. And what I'll do is, just to be sure, I'll give it a second coat and then we'll go from there to see what is happening. But it seems to be, let's say it seems to be working so far. Okay, we've had our wing covered in the rust remover for another night, and as you can see, the rust seems to be coming off it. It seems to be boiling up to the surface. What I'm going to use is this little drill here. As you can see, it's coming off like dust. It definitely does seem to be working. So I'm going to give this a thumbs up and say it seems to be not a bad little product. So there we go.